Okay, so I'm gonna try to record while I'm driving out of here. This is, let's see. This is right there is where the signs are. I parked right here in a cul-de-sac, and now we're gonna be driving away. So you can see the roads, kind of get a better idea about the neighborhood. Again, let's see. This is where you be, and this is where we came from. There's some wildlife over here, some geese walking around, or ducks. I think it's geese. Surroundings, and we're gonna go this way. Here they are. Not to run them over. Okay, here's that yellow house that you could see from over there. This is kind of like where this tree line is. That's where the lot is. I guess you'd have to clear it out. So here we are driving. This is kind of your surroundings over here. Again, raining cats and dogs all week, so it's a little wet. Okay, there's this kind of a circle over here, and we're gonna go here, and we came from this way. You can see the wide straight roads, no hills at all. You're very close to Parkway. Let's see. Some apartment complexes, looks like. Okay, now we're gonna turn right over here, and we're about to the Parkway. We're right next to, there's a popular hotel. It's called Music Road Inn. Looks like they're building something new over here. I'm not sure if it's going to be apartments or, you know, short-term rental condos. There is the river. Let's see, I don't think you can see it from over here. It's over there. And we're about to the main Parkway now. There is a Music Road. This is Music Road Inn. This is Music Road Hotel. There's a couple of other hotels around, and we are about to hit the Parkway. So location is definitely great location. And the good thing, you can always hit the back roads. Once you leave here, you'll learn there is good back roads back there, where you don't have to come out on the Parkway if you don't want to when the traffic is bad. And here is that light, and I'm gonna stop my video here because we're about to come out on the Parkway. So this is the Parkway. You're in the middle of all the action and not far away from anything at all.